Okay, and we're rolling. Okay. Um, Hi everyone. We are the Girlyphytons, and today we're going to share out some main points of our activity plan and our graphical hypotheses. So I'm going to give it to Champagne to talk about some of our research questions.
Hey everyone. So our critical research question is how do environmental variables influence periphyton communities in different ecosystems? And the goal of this is to understand which environmental variables influence community composition the most. So our first sub-question will look at what are the most significant variables influencing periphyton communities. And the objectives from this part of our research will be to define the environmental variables that influence periphyton communities, and then we'll go on to trying to understand how do parafine communities differ in different landscapes and times. So with this data we're getting from NEON, where we will be looking at different locations across the contiguous United States. So north, south, east, and west. So we want to describe the patterns over time and across the sites of all the environmental variables. Our goal is to do a poster for Emerge, or maybe even a poster at the next meeting in Spokane.
Okay. So I'm scrolling. We have some system boundaries here. Yeah, Champagne already covered that. But so we're gonna talk about like next steps. So we already identified our roles and um our next step is going to be identifying which data packages, neon packages that we're gonna be using, and then create an Excel sheet and just enter all of that information in there to keep track of it. And then we're gonna identify sites in the four corners of the United States and fill out that Excel sheet, and try to see if there are any limitations. And again, we're just trying to focus on like one stream in each of those corners of the United States for now. And then I'm going to pass it on to Gabby to talk about the graphical hypotheses.
So here we have like some of our expected outcomes with the variables. So we are using biomass as our response variable here. And we will expect that through different landscapes, we are here just having like three different landscapes, even though we expect four. Um, we would expect that when there's more water flow, we would have a reduction in biomass. Also, when there are more nutrients, we would expect that will enhance algae biomass. And then there's a same similar pattern with light, where sites that have like more light penetration, the streams that have more light, would also have more biomass. So these are some of the outcomes we expect to find in the NEON data set.
And I think that's all we got for you guys. So thanks for tuning in and look out for our poster in the future. Peace.